Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Manna. Today I will give you demo on TBox ReadCreate File module. This module allows you to either read or create text file. Now let's jump into the Tosca to see how we can effectively use this module. So this module comes with the standard modules of Tosca. So we can find this module into the TBox Automation Tool, then File Operation, and here you can see the TBox ReadCreate File module is present. Now I will drag and drop this module inside the test case. So I have already created a test case named TBox copy create file. Now I will drop this inside this test case. So here you can see this TBox read create file test tab has directory, file, text, encoding and override as an attribute. Now in the directory we can give the path of the file to be read or created, and in the file we can give the name of the file including the file extension, and inside the text we can give the text that is to be verified, buffer or written to the file or waited on, and here we can set action mode as verify, buffer, input or wait on, and encoding is used for .NET character encoding of the file to be created and it is optional. And inside this override, if the target file should be overridden, the value of this attribute must be set to true and action mode must be set to input. Now if I go to my D directory, you can see here I have a file folder named file, and inside this folder I have a text file named file name, and inside this file I have written some text Tricentis Tosca. Now I want to verify this text. So first I want to copy the path of this file folder, and I want to put it inside the value of the directory, and then my file name is filename.txt. Now I will put this file name inside this file value, and I want to verify the text which is written inside the text file name. So I want to verify this text is written inside the file name or not. So in this case I will set the action mode as verify. Now if I run this test step, so here you can see the test case is successfully passed. Now if I see the log info, you can see the verification was successful and expected value and actual value is matched. Now we will see how we can create a new file with this module. So now within the same directory I want to create a new file, and I want to give the new file name is demo file, and I want to create a text file, and here I want to write inside the file I want to write Tricentis Tosca. So in this case my action mode will be input. Now if I run this again, so you can see a new file is created with the name demo file.txt, and here inside this file you can see that Tricentis Tosca is also text is also present. Thank you guys for watching this video.